Welcome back to the Health Guide. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Matt and I will be your guide to help you pick out the best ideas for your daily health. Don't forget to give this video a like. This will help the video to reach more and help more people. Become a winner with these chicken dinners. Does the saying winner chicken dinner really speak to you? What about the dream of losing weight? Does the word easy in this title also really speak to you? Then you've come to the right place. Here, you'll find easy chicken recipes for weight loss that will surely make you feel like a winner. Chicken is one of my favorite foods to incorporate into my meals when I'm trying to shed some pounds. Why? Because it's a great source of protein that's low in calories and fat, and actually keeps me feel satiated. These 10 easy chicken recipes for weight loss are sure to further your progress. Trust me, fueling my body with the high protein, lean meat that stars in all of these recipes has helped me to get where I am today. Where am I today, exactly? Well, I'm at a place where my doctor tells me I'm healthy, I have tons of energy, and I'm eating yummy foods all day long, yummy foods like the easy recipes that are on this weight loss list. 10 easy healthy weight loss chicken recipes. I turn to these easy chicken recipes for weight loss whenever I really don't feel like cooking, but really do feel like eating a delicious, healthy dinner. They've never failed me. 1. Easy chicken bruschetta casserole. Bruschetta is the perfect way to get a little bit of everything in one meal. So, when a chicken bruschetta recipe is also easy, I don't mess around. I could eat this the health guide recipe of ours for dinner every day of the week, and I can do it guilt-free thanks to the nutrient-dense ingredients we use that also aid in weight loss. 2. Bruschetta chicken. Can't get enough bruschetta. Neither can we. Our friends at Pure Wow have crafted up this magnificent dish. Their tasty summertime recipe looks incredible, and it tastes even better. We're in love with this scrumptious, protein-packed dinner and you will be too. 3. 1 skillet chicken and broccoli dinner. 1 skillet dinners are the easiest of all dinners in my book. They make for an easy meal and an easy cleanup. You can't beat a chicken dinner like this one, especially when it's delicious and aids in weight loss as well. 4. 1 pan roasted chicken with carrots recipe. This delightful one-pan meal is a winner in every way. It's loaded with flavor and nutrients, is incredibly simple to make, and even easier to clean up. If you're in need of a healthy weeknight dinner for the family, this recipe can be on the table in less than 30 minutes. 5. Skillet lemon chicken breast dinner. It's back to the basics with this one. But don't think for a second that basic means flavorless. Our light and delicious skillet lemon chicken has just as much flavor as it does protein. Hint, there is a lot of protein in each serving of this easy meal. 6. 5-ingredient slow cooker chicken chili verde. This slow cooker chicken chili verde really has it all. Tender, shredded chicken swimming in a mildly spicy salsa verde sauce. Add in some fiber-rich navy beans, and you've got yourself a well-rounded meal for any night of the week. 7. 1 pan rosemary chicken and root vegetables. A flavor and texture combination made in heaven. The carrots, parsnips, turnips, and sweet potatoes will soften and caramelize as they cook in the hot oven. Meanwhile, the chicken and spices will complement and balance out the sweetness of the root veggies with savory flavors. 8. Crispy unfried herb chicken. This diet-friendly chicken recipe will certainly taste like a cheat meal, without actually being a cheat meal. How cool is that? We've cut the fat by baking the chicken as opposed to frying it. You can have your fried chicken and eat it too. 9. Slow cooker Greek lemon chicken. This isn't the first lemony recipe that has appeared on this list, mainly because lemons are so great for weight loss. Incorporating lemons into your diet can aid in weight loss in multiple ways, such as maintaining blood sugar, helping you to feel full for longer, boosting metabolism. As much as I'm a fan of this super easy chicken recipe, because of how great lemons and lemon juice both are for you, I'm also a huge fan of lemon water. If you're not, but want the similar health benefits that it provides, check out our 5 simple detox water recipes to boost metabolism. 10. Easy chicken and rice skillet stir fry. Yay for another stir fry recipe. This Asian-inspired chicken dish of ours is perfect to whip up on any and every busy weeknight. We've taken away all of the unhealthy grease that usually fills up your typical Asian food dish, and we've filled this dish with vegetables instead. This recipe calls for chicken, veggies, and brown rice, which means that it's the perfect weight loss dinner. Now that you have 10 absolutely mouth-watering, easy chicken recipes for weight loss, you're more than ready to jumpstart your weight loss journey in the yummiest way possible. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit likes, subscribe, and the notification bells to receive more health guide on the daily. Since we are new, anything you can do will help us grow, and most definitely encourage us to make more videos like this in the future. If there is something you would like to make a video about, leave it on the comments section. See you soon.